welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on some more Christmas treats. This one is peanut butter balls and they're really easy. You need a cup of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. You're going to also need a cup of crushed graham crackers, and I've already crushed some of those and got those ready. You're going to need a cup of peanut butter. Okay, you're going to need a cup of creamy peanut butter. You're going to need a half a stick of room temperature butter. This is real butter, not margarine. So let me get all that in there. Let's see if I can mix all this together. I just want to go ahead and make sure this is really good and combined. And you'll know it is when you don't really see any more of the powdered sugar. And it's already peanut butter colored. Alright, so let me get this mess off my hands. Okay, y'all, had to go get me some gloves on. If you have a teaspoon sized scoop, that'll work great. But I don't. I need to get one of those. So I'm going to try to make these as small as I can. They're going to be about 1 inch. That'll kind of give you an idea. It's a little bit too large, but that's about right. And you just need to stick them on a lined cookie sheet or baking sheet. Just make sure they don't touch. And you're going to set them in the fridge for a half hour. And then we'll dip them in chocolate and then we're done, y'all. That's all it took. Just that little bit of time. Okay, y'all, so these are pretty much chilled, and I'm gonna have to show you this like this because it's very hot. You need to take you some chocolate chips. This is Hershey milk chocolate, and I did about 2/3 of a bag, and I'm just going to roll these around in there. What I normally do is I just kind of make sure that the other side has some chocolate, and then voila. If I can get it all the way up all over the thing, then I will, like it needs to be, but it's really difficult. If y'all know of an easier way, please let me know. And so I'm going to finish all these up, and we're going to put them back in the fridge, chill. They need to chill at least for an hour or so. Okay, y'all, so for our next little goodie, this is going to be chocolate coconut balls, and you need about 8 ounces of coconut. I can only find a 7-ounce pouch, but hey, we're going to go with it. A can of condensed milk, not evaporated. And these are going to have to sit in the fridge for quite a while before we dip them in the chocolate. So keep that in mind when you make them, but it should be pretty simple to put together, so you shouldn't have any problems at all. Okay, love condensed milk. And we're going to need about 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, 1 teaspoon, and then our 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. And you're going to need 1 cup of toasted and chopped macadamia nuts. So hopefully I can do this without making a mess. They're in my chopper. Try to find them chopped, could not. That's 1/2 and... oh, well, everything in here is about a cup. So we'll just dump the whole thing in. Alrighty. And you need to mix all this together. And then we're going to place it on a lined baking sheet. We're going to put it in the fridge. You need to do it for at least an hour. And then we will dip them in the chocolate. But this one's got a little bit more to do with it. You're going to have to mix some shortening with the chocolate. So a little bit different. But overall, should be able to get it done. It's pretty quick and easy, which is perfect for the holidays.
I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
So I went and got me some gloves on. You need to make these 3/4 of an inch, but most likely mine are probably a little bit more. And they're very sticky.
Something real. Don't you give me that look. Take a bow. Already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
We're going to go ahead and dip these coconut balls down in the chocolate. You're going to have to take about a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Doesn't matter if you want semi-sweet, milk, whatever. Even dark chocolate would work. And then you're going to need about a tablespoon of shortening to go in with it. So I'm going to wear gloves because this one's kind of messy. Now these have been in the fridge for a while, but they just seem like they're still not where I want them to be. So I'm just going to do my best to get them out of here and place them back in the fridge so they can harden up.
Restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy
castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so I stuck them in the freezer. It's still not how I would like for them to be. I'm just going to try to get through this best I can. And then we're going to put them back in the freezer.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. This is the coconut balls and the peanut butter balls together on one plate. Peanut butter balls, you can leave the peanut butter a little bit exposed, that's fine, but it's best with the coconut balls to go ahead and fully cover them with the chocolate because they're so delicate. Okay, y'all, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.